Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2014 Keystone Cougar 21 RBS X-Lite travel trailer with the slide out. Overall condition is excellent. I'll go ahead and get started on the inside, show you the floor plan, and then finish up the video by showing you all the features and condition on the outside. Overall length is 25 feet 9 inches. Exterior length, overall height to the air conditioner on the outside is 11 feet 4 inches. This is definitely not an entry-level trailer. This does have a Polar package. Show you that Polar badge there. It means it's got a heated enclosed underbelly, and all your gate valves and hookup valves are all protected from cold weather. Give you an idea of the floor plan before I get started. Trying this video out with my wide angle lens, see how that works out. Go ahead and start on the slide out here. This is the X-Lite with the slide out. Slide out is the boot dinette. Slide out. It's about 7 foot long, definitely 3 foot deep. Accommodates the U-shaped boot dinette. And if you want to break it down into a bed, this comes down pretty easy. Makes into definitely a nice size double. Definitely sleep 2 grown adults easily. You do have night shades all throughout. Show you the window treatments here. Colors are going to be the dark maroons, some greens, some tans. And in the kitchen here, I believe all the cabinetry is going to be, I believe, a hand glazed maple finish. All your cabinet drawer fronts and door fronts are all going to be solid wood. Kind of give you an idea of the finish on the cabinet fronts. And your hardware, I believe it's going to be maybe a brushed nickel. Nice size deep sink. Three burner gas cooktop. I believe the front burner is going to be a high output oven. This coach is a second owner, and definitely it looks like the coach has never been used. Microwave. Always check to make sure the digital readout's working. Lots of counter space for a 25 footer. And you do have nice size pots and pans drawer. Go ahead and show that to you. Show off the full length metal ball bearing drawer guides. Show back here. I guess you could use this as a pantry or a closet. Lots of storage on this 25 footer. Does have, I believe, the 6 cubic foot refrigerator, automatic, gas and electric, and it does have the hand glazed wood panel finish on the drawer fronts here. That may have been part of a package. And there's your little buttons here. It's automatic. It runs. You can, if you're boondocking, have no power, you still have a refrigerator that stays cold. Looks like the owners opted for these little clips, and it keeps the moisture down when you're storing it in the winter. And show off that flooring, the entranceway, the high traffic area in the kitchen. That's all going to be residential style linoleum. Kind of looks like a tile look. Vinyl flooring, and around the slide out and in the bedroom you do have it's kind of a shag style carpet. All your carpet, everything is in excellent condition. Non-smoker. Definitely on the inside and out. If a dealer was going to take this in on trade, I think they would definitely rate it a 10. Alright, in your master bedroom here you do have curtains for privacy. Well, I'm showing that ceiling off. You do have the vaulted ceiling. Gives you more headroom. A lot of your trailer manufacturers aren't going to offer that. Queen bed lifts up. This is an ultra plush mattress from Keystone. There's storage up underneath the bed. You do have looks like a charging port station here. Kind of show that off right there. You do have 110 outlets on each side of the bed, so if somebody has a sleep-at machine or wants to plug in certain devices, they have that option. Nice headboard here for storing odds and ends. Closets on each side of the bed. It's kind of an etched glass finish above the bed here. Nice Cougar beds there. This coach is equipped with a 13,500 BTU AC unit, and it's all ducted all the way through. Sit down here, kind of give you an idea of the layout here. This wide angle lens actually helps me out when I do these walk-arounds on these 25-foot trailers, so give you a great idea. Okay, your flat screen TV, I believe that's probably going to be like a 10-inch flat screen. Kind of show that off there. It's on like a pivoting arm, so you can bring this TV out and watch TV from the booth dinette over here. Show off your storage here on the back side. Lots of storage space. There is an add-a-leaf extension, counter extension, and it's underneath the bed. Just kind of clips on here, and if you don't need it, you can stow it out of the way. You do have that option. Your stereo here is going to be Bluetooth ready, MP3, a DVD player. Zoom in, kind of show you that. Okay. A vaulted ceiling makes a huge difference, especially when you look at the competitors. They definitely don't do that. Okay, you do have a full bath. Oh, your furnace is all ducted all the way through. You do have a 30,000 BTU furnace. There's one of your furnace vents in the bathroom. And you are ducted for AC in the bathroom. Some of your ultralights, which is what this is, definitely your ultralight trailer manufacturers are going to cut corners and not even offer the AC in the bed in the bathroom. Foot flush porcelain toilet, nice feature. Some manufacturers might offer just a plastic toilet. And more storage space. Nice medicine cabinet there. Glass enclosed shower. Some of your ultralight manufacturers will just offer a curtain. Nice kind of a neo-angle shower, glass enclosed shower with skylight. Lock that. Okay, this is going to be your monitor panel here, your central command. You just push the buttons to figure out where you are on your battery. You're fully charged. Freshwater tank. I believe it's a 42-gallon freshwater tank on this coach. And then your black tank, which is your toilet. And your gray tank, which is your sink and shower. I believe those are going to be each 28 gallons. There's your thermostat control. That's pretty easy to figure out for your AC and your heat. And while I'm showing you all the buttons and all the good stuff, here's another central command center here. Lights for your ceilings inside, your floodlight outside, or your scare light, and this is your porch light. I'll show you that. Step light, you have a nice step light, leave that on. Power awning button, extend and retract, easy to figure out. This is your slide room button right here. Nice little hooks. Hang your keys on and show that kind of mosaic style backsplash. It's kind of a brick look. Okay. And go outside here, show off the finish and show you the condition on the outside. Definitely a beautiful trailer. Your awning is going to be a 16-foot power awning, fully adjustable, so you can drop one end down. You do have that option. 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. There's your service panel right here. So if you're boondocking, you can have hot water within 10 to 15 minutes. Power outlets. I'm going to try to show you everything on this coach. Cable hookup here. Again, there's your polar badge there, polar package, which is the enclosed heated underbelly. All your tanks and water lines are all protected. You can go into extremer weather. There's your Cougar badge, 21 RBS. Shoot down the side here. I do check all coaches, campers, trailers for delamination and oxidation and any issues with decals. There are no issues at all with this trailer. Do have the beautiful alloy wheels. All your tires are in excellent condition. Do have exterior speakers on this coach. Tinted windows. There's your scare light or security light. Show you this huge pass-through storage. Here's your slam latch baggage doors, and you do have the magnets, so they're easy to keep up. That's definitely a neat feature. Show off that huge storage. And there's your aluminum framing that's integrated in your sidewalls, floor, your front and your back, and your roof is actually a 5-inch steel truss framing system, which is going to be the strongest that they offer in the industry. And these slam latch baggage doors, I do believe they're insulated. Gotta love slam latch baggage doors. Another huge feature on this trailer is the beautiful front molded fiberglass cap. Show off that X-Lite badge by Cougar. All your LP tanks, I believe it's two 30-pound LP tanks. They're all enclosed and protected, so the coach looks nice and clean. More for aerodynamics also when you're driving down the road. And your battery is going to be in the sealed compartment area here. You do have the power hitch jack. LED light accent, or docking lights. Forgot to turn those on. And while I'm here, I'm going to show off that fully enclosed heated underbelly. Overall dry weight on this camper, when it came off the manufacturing lot, it weighs right at 5,210 pounds empty. Nice ladder to get up to your full walk-on steel truss roof system. Spare tire. Does have a nice little hitch receiver on the back here if you want to put like a cargo carrier on it. .30 amp service. Show off that 30 amp service here, and show off your stabilizer jacks. These are the heavy duty ones, not the little cheap electric ones, so these are definitely going to be a lot more sturdier than the ones that they were offering. There's your dump valves. Your gate valves are all inside the underbelly and protected, so you can go into a little bit more extremer weather. So in the fall around here in Kentucky, usually RV owners will winterize their campers, so you can go a little bit colder weather with this coach. 30 amp service, or I'm sorry, the 30,000 BTU furnace. There's your exhaust right here. This is your service panel for your refrigerator. Show off those decals there. It's going to be your docking station, outside shower. It's got the hot and cold running water. It's your pass-through storage right there. I do want to show one thing, maybe a concern to somebody. There's the owner, I'm not sure what was going on there with that black strip right there. Get with the owner. I thought it was factory, but looks like little tiny dents right there. But anyway, I'll ask the owner about that. But definitely a beautiful trailer. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.